Driverless vehicles are going to change transportation more dramatically than the invention of the automobile itself.
I think the biggest challenge is going to be to free our brains and free the brains of our engineers.
You have to do something different than you've done, different than they've seen in the past, and you have to be visionary. You have to think a little more like an artist.
At Arconic, we are exploring not only new material compositions, but new methods of making the materials.
With advanced manufacturing, you can literally make anything. In a fragment of the time, at a fragment of the cost, you can have multiple prototypes, test them out, fully functioning.
We're moving into an era of first driverless cars and then fully autonomous cars.
Everyone in the car is going to be a passenger. People are going to use virtual reality and augmented reality within cars, so it kind of doesn't really matter where they are.
It will be connected to the internet of everything, that global brain that is so essential in tomorrow's smart society.
Could keep them moving so that there would be very few that would be parked.
It will not only solve the congestion problem, it will also solve the infrastructure problem.
It changes the economic equation, and it really doesn't make sense for individual ownership anymore.
We're moving away from the benefits of ownership to the benefits of access.
With additive manufacturing, we can create designs and structures that could never be created before.
Technology around the micromill. This allows us to achieve better formability, shapes and details on the body structure that weren't achievable with traditional materials in the past. And it also allows us to drive the strength up. When you have a higher strength material, you can use less of it, so you can continue to drive the weight of the car down, which will be very important to fuel efficiency.
We are right now at the very early stages of a revolution in materials.
Computational understanding of the materials will be linked digitally to the design. It will allow you to better understand at the very early stages what you can achieve from a design standpoint for both the shape and the function.
As the surface gets more and more congested, it's going to become more interesting to be able to move through some of that congestion by moving up into the air.
I mean, who wouldn't want to have a flying car?
We won't even have traffic flight controllers. It'll all be done algorithmically.
We're going to do things that we never imagined in the next century.
We could actually create a world that is an even better place to live on than the one that we are on today.